Friends, today we will discuss the very basic questions of multiple angle. Uh, before starting today's topic, I am going to revise the formula by asking with few students. I'm going to ask the question to those students with whom I haven't asked in the last class. So Sahana, right? Sahana, are you ready? As I mentioned you earlier. Okay, Sahana, please tell me the formula is displayed in the screen. Okay, formula of the questions is displayed in the question slide. Okay, tell me the reciprocal relations.
So, Sobe?
Yeah. Please be fast. We have to start the class also. I'm just trying to.
Sir, देखेको छैन स्लाइडमा.
You are not. You aren't able to see the screen.
No, sir. Reciprocal relation मात्रै आछ.
Oh, just tell me all the formula. Tell me all the reciprocal
Sin
relations.
into cosec is equals to 1.
Yeah.
Cosec is equals to 1 by sin.
Yeah.
1 by sin अनि
पढेकै छैन हैन.
Sin is equals to 1 by cosec.
Sin is equals to 1 by cosec.
Tan theta into cos into sec is equals to 1. Sec theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. And
Okay, can you request to remove the background sound?
cos is equals to 1 by sec theta.
I'm unable to listen you properly. Please, dear students, don't forget to mute yourself. Others, please mute yourself. And I'm talking with Sahana. Sahana, please respond me fast. Okay, tell me the. Okay, now I'm going to ask you the formula for multiple angles. Please tell me the formula for sin 2 theta.
Sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta.
2 sin theta into
cos theta.
Only that. Other also for tan theta.
Tan theta 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta.
Tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta.
2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta.
Plus or minus?
Plus.
Okay, good. So tell me the formula of cos 2 theta.
Cos 2 theta. Cos square theta dot on sin. Cos square theta minus sin square theta.
Okay, good. Cos 2 theta in terms of cos theta only.
Cos theta. Cos square theta is equals to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2.
I'm asking the formula of cos 2 theta in terms of cos theta. Okay, Sahana, please revise it well. I'll ask you the formula some other day also. Okay. I'll ask you in next class. Okay, dear students, while I will be teaching you the trigonometry, I request you to remember all the formula. At least for 2 or 3 students, I'll be taking the oral test each day. Okay, and I'll record that also. I'll keep the record of that, and I'll provide the oral test marks in the next class. Okay, so please everyone follow the instruction. I'm going to display all the formula again. So let's revise all the formula. And today, as I mentioned earlier, today I'll be discussing the questions that we discussed in last class. Since we were in a hurry in last class, so we started the class late. And today I'll be discussing the same slides. If you have already solved the questions, if you have already understood it, that's fine. Otherwise, if you have not solved, then please try to understand. Even if you have understood, then you can solve the questions without looking it in the slides or in your copy. Okay, so please try to gain some advantage from this class also. Okay, sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Sin 2 theta is equals to tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta in terms of tan. Similarly, cos 2 theta is equals to 1 cos square theta minus sin square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Similarly, tan theta. Okay, please mute yourself. Okay, Lucky Hamal, I think your microphone is not muted. Please mute it. Let me mute you all, guys. I think Lucky has muted himself. Okay, so tan 2 theta is equals to tan 2 theta is equals to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Similarly, cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1. We have the formula for cos 2 theta, and this cos square theta is equals to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square theta. Really for this one, sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, and 1 minus cos 2 theta is equals to 2 sin square theta. I think all of you have read this formula. Even if you have not read it, you have still more time. Please revise it, remember it, in fact devour it. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Trigonometric ratios of 3 theta. Sin 3 theta is equals to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos 3 theta is equals to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Tan 3 theta is equals to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. We have modification of this formula also. Sin 3 theta is equals to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. And whenever I talk about sin cube theta, I will be discussing this formula. Sin cube theta is equals to 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. And also for the next one, cos 3 theta is equals to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta is equals to 4 cos cube theta. And if we do the further simplification, we get cos cube theta is equals to 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 4. I hope all of you know this formula. So let's begin our very first question for today's class. Note this question if you have not noted it in the last class. Otherwise, you can solve it without seeing in the screen. Okay, this is just the revision class for you. As the class has resumed after the break of 4 to 5 days, I am just trying to do the revision of the last class. So please note it. If sin A is equals to 4 upon 5, then find the values of sin 2A, cos 2A, and tan 2A. If sin A is equals to 4 upon 5, find the values of sin 2A, cos 2A, and tan 2A. Please note it first. Here, the value of sin A is given. Okay. Similarly, sometimes in the other question, the value of cos A might be given, the value of tan A might be given, and similarly, you may be asked to find the value of sin 2A, cos 2A, and tan 2A. त्यस्तो बेलामा के गर्ने? You need to know it. So let's continue with the solution. If you can solve it, please do it yourself. Otherwise, please try to understand it in the in this class. If you have already learned this in the last class, please solve it without seeing the screen. So solution here, sin A is equals to 4 upon 5. Sin A is equals to 4 upon 5. Here we just have the value of sin A. Let's see the formula of cos 2A and sin 2A. So formula है त हाम्रो फर्मुलामा sin 2A cos 2A को जुन फर्मुला छ नि हैन, यो फर्मुलामा के छ हामीसँग के छ भने sin 2A we have 2 sin A cos A, हामीसँग त्यही मात्र फर्मुला हैन. We have sin 2A is equals to 2 sin A cos A. But the question has given only sin A. Question sin matra diyo. So let's find cos A, which is not given in the question. Question is नदिएको कुराहरु तपाईले निकाल्नु पर्यो. So let's use the formula and the technique that we have did already to find the value of cos A. We can use any technique to find it, but the best way is to find by using the trigonometric ratios, square relations. So we know this formula, cos A is equals to square root 1 minus sin square A. Cos A is equals to square root 1 minus sin square A. So let me replace the values here. It is equals to 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square. 4 by 5 whole square. So further it will be equals to 1 minus 16 upon 25. 1 minus 16 upon 25, and this is equals to 25 minus 16 by 25. 25 minus 16 is 9, and 9 by 25, and further if you simplify it will be 3 by 5. Now we have both the values sin A and cos A. Okay, so as our question is demanding to find the value of sin 2A, let's find the value of sin 2A at first. and then cos 2a, and then tan 2a. There are different ways to do it. I'm going to follow one specific method by using the direct formula here. Now sin 2a will be equals to sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a cos a. As you know the formula here, we have already discussed it. We have derived this formula also. So this is equals to 2 times 4 upon 5 times 3 upon 5, and this will be equals to 2 times 4 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24, and 5 times 5 is 25. 24 by 25 is the value of sin 2a. Similarly, let's find the value of cos 2a. We have 3 set of formula for cos 2a with regard to this question. We can use any one here. We have 3 set of formula: cos square a minus sin square a. Similarly, 2 cos square a minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square a. यो तीनवटा फर्मुला मध्ये जुन युज गरे पनि हुन्छ. As we have all the values here, we have got cos a, sin a, we have only got cos also, we have also got the value of sin. So any formula you can use here to find the value of cos 2a. So let me use the first one here. If you use any of this formula, you have to get the same answer. Okay, तिमीलाई लाग्ला कि फेरि यो मैले यो फर्मुला युज गर्दा अर्कै आन्सर आउँछ के भनेर, it's not, it doesn't go in that way. You have to get the same value for all the formula. Again, cos 2a is equals to cos square a minus sin square a. So let me use the first one. It is equals to 3 upon 5 whole square minus 4 upon 5 whole square. As I have got the value of cos a is 3 by 5. Since cos square a, if you are new with these terms, if you are still confused with these things, cos square a is cos a whole square. So a square भनेको a को whole square हुन्थ्यो नि, त्यस्तै यहाँ cos square a भनेको cos a को whole square हुन्छ. It's not like cos square a square भने मात्र cos a को whole square हुने, यो होइन. यो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रीमा यस्तो हुँदैन है. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रीमा रेशियोको मात्र स्क्वायर हुन्छ, एंगलको चाहिँ स्क्वायर हुँदैन. Don't get confused with these things. कहिले लाग्ला यस्तो नि किन नभएको जस्तो हैन. So this is trigonometric ratio which does not follow the basic algebraic relations. Algebra जस्तो सबै एउटै कुरा चाहिँ हुँदैन यसमा. Okay, so the further one, 3 by 5 whole square is 9 by 25 minus 16 upon 25, and it will be further equals to 9 minus 16 by 25. 9 minus 16 is minus 7 upon 25. So this is the value of cos 2a. So now let's find the value of tan 2a. Is we have got the value of sin a and cos a here. Let's find the value of tan a at first. Again, so similarly, we have got already got the value of sin 2a and cos 2a. So let's see the formula of tan a, that is sin a upon cos a. Or if it is tan 2a, then it will be sin 2a by cos 2a. Angle चाहिँ छ, यहाँ पनि त्यही नै हुनु पर्यो. यहाँ 2a छ भने यहाँ पनि 2 नै हुनु पर्यो. Tan theta हुँदा sin theta upon cos theta. Tan 2a हुँदाखेरि sin 2a upon cos 2a. So let's replace the values. 24 by 25 minus 7 by 25, and it will be minus 24 by 7. As this 25 and 25 will be cancelled, minus 24 by 7 is our answer. I hope all of you have copied it. So therefore the answer is, therefore sin 2a is equals to 24 by 25, cos 2a is equals to minus 7 by 25, and tan 2a is equals to minus 24 by 7. Okay, so this is our solution for the very first question. So let's go to the second question. I hope most of you have copied it. I just want to revise it so that you can be back in form after the long break. Okay, I request everyone to revise all the formula. Okay, to solve all this topic. Our next class we are going to prove the trigonometric identity of the prover आउँछ के. त्यो प्रुफ गर्ने बेलामा फर्मुला आएन भने त सकिहाल्यो. सो फर्मुला भने त एबीसी हो यसको. त्यो एबीसीडी नै नजानिकन यसरी लेख्न सिक्यो भने के हुन्छ होला, इमेजिन दैट. Okay, so let's continue with the second question. Question number 2. If cos a is equals to 7 upon 25, then find the values of sin 2a, cos 2a, and tan 2a. If cos a is equals to 7 upon 25, then find the values of sin 2a, cos 2a, and tan 2a. As I told you earlier, here sin a might be given, cos a might be given, similarly tan a might be given, and you may be asked to find the value of any multiple angles, any trigonometric ratios of any multiple angles. ओके sin 2a cos 2a tan 2a जे पनि दिन सक्छ sin 3a cos 3a पनि दिन सक्यो यतापट्टि चाहिँ मल्टिपल एंगल नभएको बेला दिन्छ यो फर्स्ट टाइपको क्वेशनमा हामी जे गरिरहेको छौं so let's find cos a is given as I told you earlier the value of sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a so we need to find the value of sin a at first okay let's use the formula to find the value of sin a here cos a is equals to 7 upon 25. I hope this screen is displayed in the device. Please let me know if any technical problem is there. Sin a is equals to square root 1 minus cos square a. Okay. So this is equals to 1 minus 7 by 25 whole square. And further this is equals to square root 1 minus 49 by 625. Square root 625 minus 49 by 625. And if you subtract it, it will be 576 by 625 and its square root is 24 by 25. Please copy it first. To make the notes, I'll be providing the slide today in PDF format. I think it's already there in the Teams file also. Today I'll upload the video in Teams video as well as in YouTube video. I'll be uploading it there. Please make notes and revise it and also practice. Don't forget to practice the similar questions. So here cos a is already there. Now we have got the sin a also. Now let's find the value of sin 2a. Okay, now I have found the value of sin a also. I'm going to solve it by different approach than the earlier one. Tan a लाई चाहिँ मैले अघि भनेको थिएँ जसरी पनि निकाल्न सकिन्छ sin 2a र cos 2a निकालेर tan 2a is equals to sin 2a upon cos 2a गरेर गर्न सक्यो. Okay. You can find the value of tan a at first. पहिला tan a निकालेर पछि tan 2a को फर्मुलामा डाइरेक्ट राख्न सकिन्छ. So 24 by 25 7 by 25 it is 24 by 7. tan a को भ्यालु यसरी निकालेर पनि गर्न सकिन्छ है. म डिफरेन्ट मेथडबाट गर्दै सेकेन्डमा चाहिँ यसलाई. So now sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a cos a. Let's replace this value there. 7 by 25 and 24 by 25. 2 times sin a is 24 by 25 times cos a is 7 by 25. So multiply it. 336 by 6 to 5. 336 by 6 to 5. This is the value of sin 2a. So let's find the value of cos 2a also. Please try to understand. Let's go to the value of cos 2a. So cos 2a is equals to cos square a minus sin square a, and its value is given. Cos a's value is given 7 by 25. So 7 by 25 whole square minus 7 by 25 cos a. Yeah, 7 by 25 and minus 24 by 25 whole square. Just calculate these values. It will be 49 by 625 minus 576 by 625. You can use a calculator to calculate these values. So 49 minus 576 by 625, taking the LCM of 625 and 625, and this is equals to minus 527 by 625. So this is the value of cos 2a. So let's find the value of tan 2a. We have the formula for tan 2a in terms of tan a. Okay, as I have got the value of tan a here, now I can use it directly in the formula of tan 2a to find the value of it. So tan 2a is equals to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. 2 times 24 by 7 whole upon 1 minus 24 by 7 square. And if you simplify it further, it will be 48 by 7 whole upon 1 minus 576 by 49. Please don't hesitate to tell me about the calculation mistake here. And there may be some calculation mistake while preparing the slides. If you find such mistakes, then please let me know. So 48 by 7, and after taking LCM of 1 and 49, it will be 49 here. So 1 times 49 is 49 minus 576. This is basic simplification. If you don't understand this also, please let me know. I'll be discussing it. 48 by 7 whole upon 527 by 49 minus 527 by 49. So further it will be like this. I'm doing the cross multiplication, sorry, the reciprocal of it. 48 by 7, this 49 will be multiplied with this 48. So 48 times 49, and 7 times 527, and this is equals to, if you multiply it, it will be 2352, that is 2352, and 4760 minus 2352 upon 4760. This is your answer of tan 2a. Okay, I think you have copied it. Please let me know if you have not copied it. So let's go to the next question. Otherwise, if you have not copied it right now, you can copy it later also after seeing the files, the team section. Therefore, this is the answer, sine 2a cos 20 tan 2a. So let's go to the next one. If sine x is equals to root 3 upon 2, then find the value of sine 3x and cos 3x. We have got the value of sine x here, and we are going to find the value of multiple angles in terms of 3 here. Earlier, we found the value of multiple angles of the ratio 2, or the two multiples of trigonometric ratios. The angle was multiplied with 2 in the earlier questions. Now it is multiplied with 3 in these questions. Okay, so I have got a value of sine x here. Sine x is already there, and I am asked to find the value of sine 3x. If x is given, you have to write here x. If theta is given, then you have to use theta. If alpha is given, then you have to use alpha. Otherwise, your max might be deducted. Okay, so please be careful with the angles here. So sine x is equals to root 3 by 2. Sine x is equals to root 3 by 2. Here, sine x is equals to root 3 by 2. So I'm going to find the value of cos x also, as I need the formula. I need the value of cos x to find the value of cos 3x. Cos 3x लाई निकाल्नको लागि चाहिँ पहिला cos x को value चाहिने भएको भएर मैले चाहिँ निकालिरहेको छु पहिला है. So this further it equals to square root of 1 minus root 3 by 2 whole square is equals to 1 minus 3 by 4 is equals to 1 by 4 1 upon 2. I hope you understand the solution here. Since the formula of sine 3x is, can anyone tell me the formula of sine 3x here? कसरी भन्न सक्छ sine 3x को formula? Just anyone tell me the formula.
3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x.
3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Can you please tell me your name?
Sir, Nirjala.
Okay, Nirjala, good. So tell me the formula of cos 3x also. Nirjala, can you tell me the formula of cos 3x?
4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x.
Okay, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, very good. So thank you, Nirjala. Now we have the value of sin x for the sin 3x, and we have got the value of cos x for this cos 3x. Cos cube x or cos x, I'm saying cos x value I. So now we can use the formula to find the value of sin 3x and cos 3x. It's all about using the formula. Right? Formula कहाँ कति बेला use गर्ने? That's up to you. पहिला formula पढाइ छैन भने त कसरी use गर्ने हैन? As I am talking earlier, as I have talked about the importance of formula in the beginning of the class also. So please remember the formula. Formula थाहा छैन भने तपाईको question त तिम्रो लागि धेरै ठुलो गाह्रो question हुन सक्छ. Otherwise, it is simple basic simplification. Sin 3x is equals to 3 sin x minus x. Let's replace the values. It is 3 times root 3 by 2 minus 4 times cube square root of 3 by 2 whole cube. Okay, I'm putting this value inside the bracket since it is cube there. Let's multiply it. 3 cube root of 3 by 2. 3 square root 3 by 2 minus 4 times 3 square root 3 by 8. Please do it fast up to here. Okay, I think it's done here. Okay, just a minute, okay? I'm doing some cross correction here. Okay, so let's continue. Sine 3x is equals to 3 root 3 by 2 minus 4 times 3 square root 3 by 8. So I'm writing here. It is equals to 3 square root of 3 by 2 minus 4 and 8. It will be cancelled. 4 times 2 minus 3 square root 3 by 2. Though you can take the LCM also without multiplying, without dividing it. So 3 square root 3 by 2 and 3 square root 3 by 2. This will be cancelled, and this is equals to 0. Okay, so let's continue with the next one, cos 3x, and this will be equals to, again, cos 3x is equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, as rightly said by Nirjala earlier. So 4 times 1 by 2 cube minus 3 times 1 by 2, 4 times 1 by 8 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2, this is equals to 1 minus 3 by 2, and further if you simplify it will be minus 2 by 2 and the value will be minus 1. Therefore we have got a value of sine 3x is equals to 0 and cos 3x is equals to minus 1. So there is one more method to solve this. Let me talk about that also. We'll discuss about this method in other topic also. In the topic that is solution of trigonometric equation, we'll discuss all these things there. So for now, let me tell you, let me give you the hint of that method. Here sine x is equals to root 3 by 2. It means that the value of x will be 60 degree, because sine x is equals to sine 60 degree root 3 by 2. It means the value of sine is 60 degree. So sine 60 degree will be root 3 by 2. So sine and sine will be cancelled. Here x will be equals to 60 degree. It's a x 60 degree also. Doing your examination, you can do it in. I request you to solve by this method. If you solve by this method also, then it will not be a mistake. Question multiple angle के formula use गरेर भन्यो भने त त्यही नै use गर्नु पर्यो हैन. Otherwise question यति मात्र भन्यो भने चाहिँ you can go through any method. So sin 3x will be equals to sin 3 times 60 degree. Right? Sin 3 times 60 is sin 180 degree. Sin 180 is 0. Okay. Similarly, cos 3x also you can find in the same way. Cos 3 into 60 degree, it is equals to cos 180 degree, and this is equals to minus 1. यसरी पनि हामीले गर्न सकिन्छ है, अलि सर्टकटमा आयो हैन त. So there are a lot of ways. There is no only one method to solve the questions. You can solve by any method, but you have to read the question carefully. Okay, since we are talking about the multiple angles, we have to use this method. हामीले यहाँ अहिले multiple angle को बारेमा डिस्कस गरिरहेको भएर हामी multiple angle के बारेमा multiple angle के फर्मुला युज गरेर गर्छौं. तर यसको मतलब यो हैन कि तिमी अरु मेथड युज गरेर गर्न सक्दैनौ भनेर. So I discussed it. So now question number 4. Let's discuss question number 4. If tan theta is equals to 1 by 2, then find the value of tan 3 theta. Please note it. If tan theta is equals to 1 by 2, find the value of tan 3 theta. Okay, can anyone tell me the formula for tan 3 theta?
3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta.
1 minus tan square theta. Can you tell me your name, please?
Or Aryan, sir.
Okay, Aaron, very good. So let's use the formula is said by Aaron. The formula was correct. So let's use it. So tan theta is equals to 1 by 2. It's given here. Tan theta is equals to 1 by 2. So here tan theta is equals to 1 by 2. Now tan 3 theta is equals to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Let's replace the values. If you can solve it, please try to solve it without saying it. यो आउँछ भने चाहिँ जो जसलाई आउँछ उले चाहिँ नहेरिकन गर्न ट्राई गर्दा नि हुन्छ है. मलाई म्युट गरेर अथवा मेरो साउन्डलाई चाहिँ कम गरेर you can solve it yourself and you can check it. है, सल्भ गरिसकेपछि लास्टमा हेर्न सक्छ. So this is equals to 3 times 1 by 2. We have got the value of tan theta here, so I am replacing it 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 cube, and further it is equals to 1 minus 3 times 1 by 2 whole square. It will be equals to 3 times 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 minus okay, this is minus sign here, minus 1 by 8, and this is equals to 1 minus 3 times 1 by 4. Since it is 1 square will be 1 and 2 square will be 4. So further if you simplify it and if you take the LCM, then it will be 8 here, 3 times 4 minus 1 by 8, 1 minus 3 by 4. This is just the basic simplification. I hope you understand it. 12 minus 1 by 8 whole upon 4 minus 3 by 4, and this is equals to, this is also minus sign here, please don't get confused, and this is equals to 11 by 8 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 by 8 whole upon 4 minus 3 by 4. This is equals to 1 by 4. So if you do the cross multiplication here, it is 11 by 8 times 4 by 1. Sorry, the reciprocal, not the cross multiplication. So 4 by 1, and if you multiply it, then 4 times 2, it is 8. So 11 by 2 is the answer. Okay, so we have got the value of tan 3 theta when it is given, when the value of tan theta is given. Tan theta को value दियो भने हामीले tan 3 theta पनि निकाल्न सक्ने भयौं. Okay, अब यहाँ अलिकति गाह्रो कुरा पनि डिस्कस गरौँ न. जस्तो tan theta दियो, how to find the value of sin 3 theta and cos 3 theta. If tan theta is equals to given something like 1 by 2, and the question asks you to find the value of sin 3 theta. Can anyone share me the idea how to solve it? Tan theta दियो हैन, sin 3 theta र cos 3 theta चाहिँ कसरी निकाल्ने होला? यदि सजिहाल्यो भने नर्मली यो क्वेशन त सायद टेक्स्ट बुकमा छैन होला, तर यो त बन्न सक्छ क्वेशन त हैन. How to find it? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me how to find the value of sin 3 theta and cos 3 theta? Okay, let me tell you. One thing what I need to mention here is the things that you will read in class 8, 9 and 10. 8, 9 र 10 मा तिमीले जे पढ्छ नि, त्यसपछि क्लास 11 र 12 मा पढ्ने कुरा नि लगभग त्यही नै हुन्छ. त्यसकै एक्सटेन्सन हुन्छ कतिपय कुराहरू. केही कुरा त एकदम भास्ट नै भइहाल्छ हैन, लेभल अनुसार त भास्ट हुनु नै पर्यो. जस्तो तिमीले 8 मा पढेको साइन्सको कुरा हैन, 8 मा पढेको म्याथको कुरा, 8 मा पढेको ओ म्याथको कुरा, केही कुराहरू चाहिँ 11 12 मा नै आउँछ. If you go through the science faculty, then these things will repeat again. हैन, जस्तो तिमीले 9 मा बोन पढ्यो, ह्युमन बोन त पढ्यो होला नि हैन साइन्सको. त्यो ह्युमन बोन भनेको चाहिँ इभन त्यो एमबीबीएस इन्ट्रान्समै सोध्ने क्वेसन हो. भनिसकेपछि एभ्रिथिङ इज इम्पोर्टेन्ट के. तिमीले कुनै टपिक छोडेर नपढ्ने, सबै कुरा चाहिँ बुझेर सबै कुरा जानेर पढ्ने. ठीक छ. सो sin थीटा tan थीटा इज इक्वल्स टु 1 by 2 sin 3 थीटा cos 3 थीटा निकाल्नु पर्यो भने चाहिँ के गर्ने भने, अब पहिला we need to find the value of sin theta and cos theta, because in the formula of sin 3 theta we need to find the value of sin theta at first. Similarly, in the value of cos 3 theta, in the formula of cos 3 theta we have to find the value of cos theta. So cos theta sin theta निकाल्नु पर्यो. I think you know the value of PBH formula. Tan theta is equals to P by B. P by B is equals to 1 by 2. हैन. अब यो रेशियोको केसमा P is equals to 1 डाइरेक्टली नलेख्ने. अब यो ग्रोन अप भइसक्यो, यो तिमीले चाहिँ डाइरेक्ट लेख्ने होइन. यहाँ कन्स्ट्यान्ट चाहिँ राख्ने. यदि कन्स्ट्यान्ट छ भने कुनै एउटा P by B is equals to K by 2K. 1 लाइन K ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने, 2 लाइन 2K ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने. यो किन गरेको भने रेशियोमा डाइरेक्टली जस्तो 1 by 2 पनि एउटै रेशियो, 2 by 4 पनि एउटै रेशियो. They are same ratios here. अब p को भ्यालु 1 भन्ने कि 2 भन्ने त हैन, b को भ्यालु 2 भन्ने कि 4 भन्ने त. सिमिलरली 1 by 2 भने 3 by 6 पनि हो. अब 3 भन्ने कि 6 भन्ने, 3 भन्ने कि 1 भन्ने कि 2 भन्ने त p लाई हैन. सिमिलरली b लाई 2 4 6 मा के भन्ने त. सो इट डज नट इन्क्लुड अल द भ्यालुज हियर. सबै कुरालाई चाहिँ यसले इन्क्लुड गर्दैन. p इज इक्वल्स टु 1 भने तिमीले करेक्ट त इनकरेक्ट त होइन, बट द्याट इज इनकम्प्लिट भ्यालु, त्यो मात्र चाहिँ होइन. सो यहाँ चाहिँ के गर्ने, k अपन 2k सो द्याट यसले सबै कुरा कभर गरोस् के. यहाँ लेट भनेर हामीले यसरी लेख्ने. k अपन 2k गऱ्यो भने चाहिँ k को भ्यालु 1 भयो भने चाहिँ कति भयो, 1 by 2 भयो. k को भ्यालु 2 भयो भने 2 by 4 भयो. k को भ्यालु 3 भयो भने 3 by 6 भयो. सो दिज आर द थिङ्स द्याट यु निड टु नो. सो अब p को भ्यालु कति भयो, k भयो, b को भ्यालु 2k भयो. अब यस्तो केसमा यसरी चाहिँ कम्पेयर गर्न सकियो. अब भेरिएबल छ भने वी क्यान कम्पेयर इट, बिकज भेरिएबलको भ्यालु जति पनि हुन सक्छ हैन. सो फाइन्ड द भ्यालु अफ यस एट फर्स्ट, यस निकाल्ने, and later find the value of sin theta by using the formula of sin theta, that is p by s, cos theta that is b by s. त्यसरी निकाल, अनि त्यसपछि बल्ल sin theta र cos theta निकाल है त. म यसमा अलिकति ब्रिफमा मात्र भन्दिए. I hope you understood it. Please let me know if you have not understood it. Now let's go to the next slide. We have very limited time, so let's go to the next one. Please note it. If tan theta is equals to 1 by square root 2, then find the value of tan 3 theta. Tan theta is equals to 1 by root 2. Find the value of tan 3 theta. Please be fast. Tan theta is given. We have to find the value of tan 3 theta. So let's simplify it further. Just a minute. Okay, so solution here, tan theta is equals to 1 by square root 2. Now tan 3 theta is equals to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta whole upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta whole upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Replace the values. This will be equals to 3 1 by square root 2 minus 1 by square root 2 whole cube. I am just replacing the value here. 1 minus 3 times 1 by square root 2 whole square. And further it will be 3 by square root 2 minus 1 by 2 square root 2. As I told you earlier in last class also. So square root 2 is, I'm sorry if there is any disturbance with the presentation. So square root 2 cube is equals to 2 square root 2. अब यति कुरा directly भन्न सक्नु पर्यो तिमीहरुले. I'll explain it right now. Since square root 2 cube is equals to square root 2 times square root 2 times square root 2, square root 2 and square root 2 will be 2 and 2 square root 2. यस्तो भयो भने यो कुरा चाहिँ अब डाइरेक्टली लेख्दा पनि तिमीहरु झुक्किनु भएन है त. So 1 by square root of 2 cube is equals to 1 by 2 square root 2, and it will be after taking LCM CS, it is 3 by square root 2 minus 1 by 2 square root 2. Square root 2 and 2 square root 2, you can take the LCM. So it will be 2 square root 2, the LCM is 2 square root 2, root 2 and root 2, this root 2 will, this root 2 will cancel this root 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, 6 minus 1 by 2 square root 2. I think this is the basic simplification for the students of class 10. So I think you can understand it. 1 minus 3 by 2. Now let's simplify it further. It will be 5 by 2 square root 2, 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So now if you simplify it further, it will be 5 by 2 square root 2 minus 1 by 2 and is equals to 5 by 2 square root 2 times 2 by minus 1 by doing the reciprocal here, minus 5 by 2 square root 2. This is the answer of this question. Let's go to the next question. I think we are running out of time again. Okay, I need to mention one thing here, that if the answer is in square root in the denominator, answer in the denominator my square roots have one, what you need to do is you have to rationalize the denominator. Rationalize गर्ने मैले पहिला पनि भनेको थिएँ last class मा पनि. Rationalize गर्छ नि नगर्न चाहिँ नमिल्छ यसलाई है. How to do the rationalization? If only square root is there, just multiply it with the same term. If it is square root 3, multiply it with square root 3, both the denominator and the numerator, and it will be in the simplified form, that is minus 5 root 2 by square root 2 and square root 2. If you multiply it, it will be 2. So minus 5 root 2 by minus 5 root 2 by 2 is the answer. So therefore tan theta is equals to minus 5 root 2 by 2. यदि मात्र लेखेर छोड्यो भने चाहिँ एन्सर त ठीक हो, तर कहिलेकाहीँ मार्क्स फुल मार्क्स चाहिँ नपाउन सक्छ है. मार्क्स केमा काटौँ भन्दा यसमा चाहिँ एउटा रिजन चाहिँ भेटिन सक्छ. So let's go to the next question. Question number 6. It's a very important question from examination point of view also. I have given one question of the similar type as a homework also in last class. I don't know whether you have completed it or not. So if cos A is equals to 1 by 2 times A plus 1 by A, then prove that cos 2A is equals to 1 by 2 bracket A square plus 1 by A square. So let's continue with the solution. Here cos A is equals to 1 by 2 bracket A plus 1 by A. As I told you earlier, we have the formula of cos 2A, the three formulas, that is cos square A minus sin square A. पहिला यसो आइडिया बनाउने, क्वेशनबाट सिधै गरेर यो घोकेर गर्नुभन्दा पहिला किन यही फर्मुला युज गरिरहेछ यसो क्रिटिकली थिंक गर्ने के. फर्मुला आउँदैन भने फर्मुला रिभिजन गर्ने, जे कुरा आउँदैन पहिला रिभिजन गरेर अनि मात्र क्वेशन गर्ने. सिधै क्वेशन गर्यो भने चाहिँ डुबाउँछ. सो 1 minus 2 sin square A, 21 र 12 भनेर सम्झिन सिकाएको छु मैले फर्मुलाहरु. So out of these three formula, which one will best fit here is the second one, because of cos A is given. Cos A दिएको छ भने त अब cos भएकै फर्मुला युज गर्नु पर्यो हैन. So the second one will be the best formula to use here. So cos A is equals to 1 by 2 A plus 1 by A. Cos 2A is equals to 2 cos square A minus 1. This is the formula, 2 cos square A minus 1. So let's replace it in the formula, the value of cos A that is given in the question. It is equals to 2 times bracket, let me put it inside the curly bracket, 1 by 2 A plus 1 by A whole square minus 1. 2 times 1 by 2 A plus 1 by A whole square minus 1. So I'm using the formula of A plus B whole square. The formula of A plus B whole square, I think most of you know this formula. If you don't know, please revise it. It is A square plus 2AB plus B square. I'm just rearranging the terms. Then it will be A square plus b square plus 2 times ab, a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. Okay, this is a square. See here 1 by 2 whole square. See here you 1 by 2 को square से बाहिर आयो 1 by 2 1 को square is 1 2 को square is 4 so 1 by 4 2 times 1 by 4. म बाँकी टर्मलाई चाहिँ भित्र राखेर म होल स्क्वायर खोलेको छु a plus b whole square. This is a, so a square plus this one is b, so b square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A is a and b is 1 by a, and minus 1 is the term that is remaining at last. So 1 by 2 to the 4 it will be 2 1 by 2 times a square plus 1 by a square plus 2, a and a are cancelled there, so 2 is remaining here minus 1. Now let's multiply it. It will be 1 by 2 times a square plus 1 by a square, but you will bracket with the because as I need it in the same format here, last one, so I am writing it a square plus 1 by a square 1 by 2 ले यसलाई पुरैलाई एउटै मानेर मल्टिप्लाई गरे 1 by 2 times a square plus 1 by a square plus 1 by 2 times 2, 1 by 2 ले फेरि कला मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने 2 लाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने, so 1 by 2 times 2 minus 1. So if you multiply this, it will be 1 by 2 times 2, this will be 1 minus 1 1 by 2 a square plus 1 by a square plus 1 minus 1, and if you further simplify it, it will be this 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled, and it will be 1 by 2 a square plus 1 by a square. So we have got the solution. Therefore cos 2a is equals to 1 by 2 a square plus 1 by a square proved. अब तिमीले चाहिँ LHS र RHS लेख्ने बानी परिरहेको थियो होला हैन, LHS लेखेर त्यसरी स्टार्ट गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. Since it is directly based on the formula, I have not written here LHS RHS नगरिकन गर्दा पनि त्यस्तो फरक चाहिँ पर्दैन. र त्यसरी नै बानी नै परेछ, त्यसरी नै गर्ने मन लाग्छ भने चाहिँ you can write in that way also. LHS लेखेर स्टार्ट गर्दा नि हुन्छ, LHS लेखेर यहीँबाट स्टार्ट गर्ने, लास्टमा गएर यहाँ RHS लेख्दा नि हुन्छ. Okay, though it's not hard and fast always to write the formula in this format. So LHS and RHS यही फर्मेटमा लेख्नै पर्छ, जरुरी चाहिँ छैन है, यसरी स्टार्ट गर्न सकिन्छ. I hope you understand this question. Let me discuss the one more question. Question number 7. I think I have given this question as homework for you in the last class, so please note it. If cos a is equals to 1 by 2 a plus 1 by a, cos a is equals to 1 by 2 a plus 1 by a, then prove that cos 3a is equals to 1 by 2 a cube plus 1 by a cube. If you are not able to copy along with me, मैले पढाउँदा पढाउँदै यो स्लाइड डिस्प्ले गर्दा गर्दै कतै यदि कपी गर्न सकिरहेको छैन भने प्लिज डोन्ट वरी, I'll provide the files later. I think I have provided it earlier. If it is not provided there, I'll post it today. Okay, so please don't worry about making notes, just try to understand. So cos a is given 1 by 2 a plus 1 by a. Prove that cos 3a is equals to 1 by 2 a cube plus 1 by a cube. Solution. Let's start with it. Cos a is equals to 1 by 2 a plus 1 by a. As I told you earlier, the formula of cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Now this must be at the tip of your tongue. Every time I ask you the question of this formula, for this formula, then you have to tell this formula 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. 43 and 34 मध्ये चाहिँ सम्झिन सिकाएको छ. 43 र 34, 34 चाहिँ साइन को, 43 चाहिँ cos को, जुनमा 3 आउँदैन त्यसलाई पावरमा राख्ने, बीचमा सबट्र्याक्ट गर्ने. I hope you understand about the difference that I am taking right now. So let's replace it with the values. 4 times 1 by 2 a bracket 1 by a whole cube minus 3 times 1 by 2 a plus 1 by a. Simply replace kara here. Now let's use the formula of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. The formula of a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. यो तिमीले पढिराखेको फर्मुला भयो. यसलाई स्लाइड मोडिफिकेसन गरौँ. It will be a cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b cube. I can take 3ab common here. So if I further do the rearrangement, it will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. हामीले यसरी पनि गर्न सकिन्छ. So I'm going to use this format. म यो format directly I use गर्छु. So don't get confused. So 1 by 2 cube is 8. Let's write it. 4 times 1 by 8 bracket a cube. See here, this is a cube, this one is a, and this one is b for us for this instance. So a cube plus 1 by a cube, a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 times a times b. See here, this is a and this one is b. A cube, your a cube भयो हैन, your b cube, your 3ab bracket a plus b. This is a plus b is 1 by a. ठिक छ, यो अहिलेसम्म यहाँ सकिरहेको छैन फर्मुला, बल्ल यहाँ फर्मुला सक्यो है, यो a plus b को होल क्युब हामीले बल्ल सकियो, बाँकी यो त छँदैछ नि। सो 3 यो एक्जाममा धेरैले यो बिर्सिन्छ क्या, योसम्म यहाँसम्म लेख्छ अनि पछाडिकोलाई बिर्सिन्छ। डोन्ट डु द्याट प्लिज, ओके, डोन्ट फर्गेट द टर्म्स, यु हेभ टु copy all the terms that are in the earlier step. So 3 minus 3 by 2 times a plus 1 by a. So it will be after further simplification, it will be a cube plus 1 by a cube. 1 cube is 1, a cube is a cube. So plus 3a 1 by a plus 1 by a minus 3 by 2 a plus 1 by a. 1 by 2 times a cube plus 1 by a cube. See here, as I need it in the same format here, I'm just collecting the terms. A cube plus 1 by a cube यसरी राख्दिए। ए 1 by 2 ले यसरी मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा चाहिँ 1 by 2 ले पहिला a cube plus 1 by a cube सँगै राख्यो, a and a this will be cancelled, okay. So 1 by 2 times 3 is 3 by 2, 1 by 2 times 3 is 3 by 2 times 3 by 2 times a plus 1 by a, यो कहाँ छ यही छ हेर त, यो a plus 1 by a minus 3 by 2 a plus 1 by a. Further it will be, see here, these two terms will be cancelled, 3 by 2 a plus 1 by a and minus 3 by 2 a plus 1 by a, these terms will be cancelled here. So I have got the value that is 1 by 2 a cube plus 1 by a cube. This is the required solution of the question. Therefore cos 3a is equals to 1 by 2 a cube plus 1 by a cube, proved. Okay, I explained it in a bit hurry, so you can revise it after seeing the slide later, or you can see the video also, you can revise it. Now let me give you the assignment for tomorrow's class. I think I have given it in the last class also. I don't know whether you have submitted it or not, but today I'll provide it in the assignment section also, so that it will be easier for you to solve it and submit it. So sign 2a, these are the questions, the 10 questions. Now you can screenshot it. Later you can see in the assignment section also. Assignment ma pani मैले post गरिदिन्छु. Please submit these questions. Tomorrow I will see it and give you the feedback also. Okay. Tomorrow we'll discuss the proof of the trigonometric proof by using this trigonometric identities formula. Okay, the multiple angles formula. So please don't miss the class tomorrow also. Thank you for your participation. Thank you, dear students. Have a great day. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the next class also. Okay. So please revise it. My request every time for my dear students is revise, revise, and revise. Okay. So thank you everyone. Take care. Have a great day, please. Now you can leave the session and join social class.
Bye, sir. Great time.
Okay, bye bye.